is a father figure, not only to me but to all of us. My special story about this is that when I had a miscarriage, he was very considerate and he was very concerned, and he let me to take time to rest and recover from the incident. He also tried to comfort me with his words and positive perspective. So I really appreciate that.
Dalawa palagi yung sinasabi niya. Tomorrow will take care of itself. Buisit. At yung there always time for everything. Na yung buhay talaga, may panahon. Minsan nasa taas ka, minsan nasa baba. Kaya dapat maging humble ka lang talaga palagi. Marami kang tinuro sa amin na akala mo wala lang, pero tumatak talaga. Na alam mo yung, palagi ko sinasabi, ikaw magiging, isa sa magiging highlights ng buhay ko. Thank you sa trust, sa pagbigay ng chance para mag-serve, hindi lang sa iyo, pero sa Pilipinas din.